This is a refurb Samsung Note 20 Ultra. I want to unbox. Because ni refurb, iko na a seal here. Ooh, inakaa poa. The joy that comes with unboxing Note 20 Ultra. Simu ndio hiyo. It comes with the header, the cable Type-C to C, and this Type-C earphones, AKG. I hope you can see. In the box we have the phone, the adapter, the earphones, and the Type-C to C cable, stylus. And the phone comes with this stylus here. It is a very nice one. Let's power it. Yeah, it comes heavy. It has 4500 mAh battery, 10 megapixel front camera, and 108 plus 12 plus 12 megapixel back camera. Yes, remember iko na the stylus, this one. And I am happy about it. And it goes for 45,000 Kenyan shillings.